What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source. And today we're going to be doing a video on Amazon affiliates. Now, the new system that they've got in place, which is excellent, you go onto a web page and create a link to that particular page. You go up top, click on Get Link, and then it gives you the link. And but there's some issues with that link. I'm going to describe the issue in detail in this video. And then I'm also going to talk about and show something that I believe all webmasters that run affiliates need to have in their arsenal, and that's referral links. We need to be able to know which of our pages are sending sales to our affiliates. And right now that's not available in Amazon, and I'm going to show that as well. I'm going to show exactly what needs to be done to implement that into Amazon, even though I'm using a totally different programming language and database structure than what Amazon is using. The concept is still the same. It doesn't matter what language that you use, the concept is still the same. So that's what we're going to be working on today, and y'all hang tight and check it out. Okay, so we're going to create the link. So let's go ahead and choose Get Link, and that is our link. Go ahead and paste it in. Whoop, let's try that again. So that is our link. Now let's come over here, let's click on it again. And there you go. The same page, the same affiliate member ID, two different links. Why? It's called poor development on the programmer for Amazon. Okay, so let's take a look at something here. So we're just going to pretend that this right here is Amazon up here. We got 4 products. So we got product 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all these are just simple links. As you can tell, it just goes to main affiliate link and then member ID, which that's not how the site works, but this right here is for demonstration purposes only. So down here is our table inside of our test database. So we got Amazon 1, Amazon 2, and Amazon 3. Now Amazon 2 is going to get our reference links. That's going to come a little bit later. So what we're worried about here is this one right here. This is our affiliate unique ID, our member ID, and our affiliate link. So our affiliate link right here is, as you can see, it's B0006H92QK. So that is our affiliate link. So then we got our member ID. As you can see, our member ID is ID 5859 whatever. So then we got our affiliate unique ID. So this right here is a unique ID that is created every single time that this link right here is clicked on for the affiliate. This will only show up if you are an affiliate. So this is not technically the same as what Amazon uses, but it's similar to it. So let's go ahead and run through it. So we're going to click here, and then it gives us the affiliate link, or our affiliate unique ID is CF2A6B7. So we come down here and we execute, we have that one right there. So if we reload it again, we still only have one of them. We do not have multiples like what I showed on Amazon. So you can sit there and you can reload it, you can view the link again, click on it again, it's going to show you the same link, and it's never going to give you a duplicate link. Okay, so it's created that unique ID for that member ID and for that link. So it's getting this affiliate link and the member ID. So basically, let's just say hypothetically, this would be your Amazon affiliate ID. This right here would be the link that is associated with that link. And then this right here is going to be your affiliate unique ID for that web page link, which is going to be this one right here. So if we click here and then go to product number 2, and then right click, and then there we go. We have a new affiliate link for this one. So as you can see, this one right here is 06, this one is 56. So everything else is the same, it's just it's got 2 different numbers. These are the same because it's the same member ID. If we right click, reload, we still only have one. We will never duplicate or create a new entry because we've already created that entry, unlike what Amazon is doing. So So then we come over here to product 3, and then we come over here to product 4. Come down here, reload, and we've got product 3 and product 4 right there. Now, whoever created the affiliate link system for Amazon for that page did not do this simple thing, which is pretty much you come over here. So we're doing a select statement. This right here is doing SQL Server. This is ASP Classic. I just did something really quick. So what we're going to do is that we're going to look and we're going to see if the affiliate link and the affiliate ID already belongs in the database. And as you can tell, it is in the database. So we got our member ID and our affiliate link is already there. If it's not there, then we're going to insert it. So we're going to create the affiliate link and the member ID into the database. Okay, and then when that does it, the unique ID, we're coming over here. So we're going to come down here. We're going to click on this one right here. We're going to go to design. So our unique ID right here is doing this. It's doing a convert invar character 7 left replace new ID. So it's creating a new ID every single time that it's generated, but it's only creating an ID of 7. So what I did is that I looked at how the affiliate ID was created inside of Amazon, and it's typically 7 characters. So that's what I did, is I created 7 characters. Now this right here should never ever be the same. And so these should always be different. No matter how many times you create an ID, this right here is going to create a brand new ID, and it's using any character. It's using alphanumericals, it's using uppercase and lowercase letters, and then it's using its numbers. We insert our new record, which is going to create this brand new record right here. Now, then what we're going to do is that we're going to select that newly created record. Okay, then we're going to do if it's not the end of file. End of file means that there's no record. So this right here says that the resource record is end of file. Okay, so that means that there's no record, which we're going to create a record. So then we come down here. If it says not rs affiliate.end of file, then we're going to show that newly created records link. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to select the unique ID so that we can have it shown whenever we're going to have it shown right here. Okay, so that's how it needs to be done in Amazon. Okay, so now let's come back over here. So then we're going to go to the product page. So we're going to click right here. We're going to go to the product page, and then that's going to come over here to the Amazon too, and then execute. Okay, what that did is that, if you remember, it came from here. This right here is the link for that page. So this right here is going to be what's on your page, not on Amazon. So this is your page. Okay, this is your website. So this right here is the affiliate link. So you're going to click on that affiliate link, and then it's going to bring you over to here. Okay, so now what it's going to do is that it's going to give you the referral link. This right here is the referral link. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up is that the referral link is something that the website needs. We need this. We need the referral link that says, okay, this web page sent a customer to this affiliate, and this customer purchased this product. So now we know that this particular web page is generating sales. This is not available through Amazon. It's a simple, easy 2-table script, and it's not available on Amazon. So when you click right here, you go back to that page. So that is the referral. So that lets you know, so that if Amazon will implement this, then the developer, the webmaster, will be able to go on to Amazon and will be able to look at every referral link that he or she has ever sent to Amazon, or any affiliate will allow him or her to go on and see this information and be able to say, okay, we are driving sales to that page. So now we can look at that page and go, okay, we need to make sure that we are making content similar to that in order to drive more sales to our affiliate so that we can make a larger revenue. Now, okay, so we come back over here, we go to product 4, and then we come over here, we go to this one, come down here, and it creates a brand new affiliate referral link back to where it came from, and then we can come over here and click. Now, we come over here to Amazon 3. So our referral ID, which is here, for our referral link, okay, and then our unique ID is right here. So then when we click here, execute, now we see that these two are here. So our referral ID 14 right here is the very top one. So it's a simple thing. You don't want to build up your table with millions of these links that are the same link. You only want to create them one time. They're created one time, and then they come over here, and then right here is where it creates multiple. So if we come back over here, then we go to view links, and then we do product. So right here, QK, and then we're going to click right here, and now we have this one right here. So we right click, execute, and we have it again right here. So we got these two C's right here, but we don't have it over here. See there, it did not create it again here because it already exists. Remember how we looked at it over here? So this right here is not the end of file. This means that the record exists. So this is going to be right here, not end of file. So then we're going to show the record. So right here is always going to do an end of file. Okay, it's never going to look at this one and go, okay, it exists here, so we're not going to recreate it again. No, this one right here is going to keep on creating new records because we want to know how many times somebody has clicked on that link off from our referral to that page, and then so that we can get credit for it. And so it's real simple, Amazon, and to all other affiliate programs out yonder, just create this simple thing. I mean, it's that simple to do. And I keep on clicking up here when I just need to click right here. But it's that simple to do. And you create a platform that allows the web developer to be able to find out which web page is driving sales to your store. It's a simple, easy thing to do, and any programmer that I'm pretty sure is with Amazon is going to know how to do all this and be able to implement. And as you can see, it's just 3 tables, 3 simple tables. So to Amazon and to all other companies out there that have affiliate programs out there, this right here is how you want to design your system. This will allow your affiliates to be able to track all sales so that they can go, okay, we want to create more content like we've got on this page since this page is generating sales. I am Wayne Barron for CFF Coding Source in hopes that Amazon and all other affiliate programs out yonder, companies that have affiliate programs, will implement something as simple as this. And if y'all don't have anybody to do it, please reach out to me. If I don't know the language that your website is designed with, I can pretty much find out how to do it, and then we can implement it together. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.